Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about Workhorse becoming the next Solo. A lot of people in the comments are going to be like, yeah, right, that would never happen. Workhorse will never become the next Solo. You are an idiot. You are insane. Okay, you have your opinion, and I have my opinion. And I think that there is a possibility that that Solo could become the next Workhorse. But it all depends on big money. If they don't want to pump up Solo stock, then Solo will never become the next Workhorse. But in this video, I will explain why it could be a possibility. So yeah. Anyway, so Rex Finance 4 months ago, he came out and he said that Workhorse is undervalued and they were gonna get the USPS contract. A lot of investors believe that this rally was the reason why is because of the USP contract, but that is completely false because Rex Finance covered it, and he said that Workhorse was not going to be the next. Sorry, he said that Workhorse is undervalued and they're gonna get the USPS contract, and the stock was trading at $2 or $3. Then so then suddenly, like a month later, Workhorse rallied big time. And it's not from the USPS contract. Trust me. I don't know the reason behind it. Actually, I kind of do. I will be making a more... I could make a dedicated video on why Workhorse rallied to $21, but maybe that'll be a weekend video. We'll see. Anyway, so what am I talking about? So California Governor Gavin Newsom bans on new gas cars in 2035 may wallop drivers' wallet, analysts. Well, I don't know about that, but Solo sells really cheap cars and a lot of people need cars. So Electrameccanica essentially can be selling Solo cars for a really good price. I mean, they're selling Solo cars for a really good price. A price point where a lot of people can afford it. And if you use the car long enough, it becomes free. And then if you take the tax incentive that California puts in, the car essentially is $11,500, which is not a lot of money to most people for a fully functional car. But it's a one-seater, and it does... So it, a lot, and it looks kind of funky, so most people are not going to buy it, but some people will, and some people like smaller cars, and it's easy to park. I'm not going to get into that, but businesses are going to have to change their mindset from a regular car to a Solo car. And if Solo announces a big partnership deal, like with Walmart, with Amazon, with, Uber or Lyft, if they announce some kind of big partnership deal, I think Solo stock will explode to the upside in a big way. Big way. But, that's my opinion. And as we can see, they're not just a consumer car. They also came out with this design. Yeah, it looks kind of funky, but it's good for people, people that run restaurants and delivery services. It's a single purpose, so it doesn't take up too much space for parking, and since they added that hatchback, it gives more storage for drivers to deliver their product to the location. And if the business use that car long enough, the car essentially pays for itself and gives money back to the business, because if you don't pay for gas and you use it a lot, over time it pays for itself, because electricity is way cheaper than gasoline. So over time the Solo cars pays for itself, and the fact that California is banning gas cars in 2035, a lot of businesses have to future-proof their cars, so they're probably going to go with Solo cars. And if Solo can get a big contract with Walmart or, you know, Costco or some big company for delivery purposes, Solo stock could explode big time, big time. And according to the CEO, they are working right now with 2 fleet operators to customize the Solo for the fleet operators, and they could have, you know, hundreds of customers, hundreds of fleet customers. And one customer can order like 10,000 cars. Like, look at Amazon and Rivian, right? Amazon ordered 100,000 those delivery vans. So Amazon can easily order 100,000 of these cars, or Walmart can easily order 100,000 of these cars, or Uber can order like 5 to 10,000 of these cars for Uber Eats. So, you know, there's a lot of customers out there for these cars, and if Solo ever announces a big customer contract, you wish you would have bought down here, in my opinion. But there's also the possibility of a stock market crash, and we could see this thing go back to $1. That's the reason why I can't put all my money into this company, because there's a possibility this thing can go down to $1. Will it happen? Probably not, but if the market crashes, I think that's a big possibility. So, PlayStation 5 pre-orders returning to GameStop and other retailers tomorrow. I'm hoping to pick up some more PlayStation 5s, especially if I can get a digital one, because I think they'll be able to, you can easily be able to flip them. But I'm definitely going to be camping it tomorrow or tonight when midnight hits. So the SPY right now is up 64 cents, 0.2%. The SPY will ultimately reflect what people will do. But Death Cross is happening here very soon. And, you know, we are getting closer and closer to the presidential election. And I feel like the presidential election, the SPY is setting up for the presidential election. And when the presidential election comes, the SPY could reverse itself and go back up again. But for now, I think that in the month of October and September, I think the market will continue to keep declining. That's my opinion. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'm wrong, and maybe this is the bottom, and the market is going to head back up again. If that is the case scenario, then everyone's going to be making money. Tesla stock will ultimately be reflected on the SPY. If the SPY continues to decline, Tesla stock will decline with the SPY. If the SPY goes up, Tesla will go up with the SPY. We'll see what happens. Electrameccanica Corporation, same scenario. It's up 2 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. SPY, like I already talked about that. GMHI, I still hold a position in this. This looks attractive at these prices. I mean, it could go down to $10. Graph also looks very attractive at these prices. At $18.51. This thing was a $30 stock not too long ago. It looks like a falling knife right now, but you know, it could bounce and it could go back to $30 and you could double your money, almost double your money. We'll see what happens. Green Power, I think this is going to head down further. Genius Brands is down 1 cent after hours. AMD is trading sideways. Apple will bounce with the SPY. Anyways, that I only gotta last another 80 seconds, huh? Let's look at some of the MJ stocks. What is Aurora doing? Aurora is trading sideways. Canopy is down 32 cents, bouncing back 3 cents after hours. Tilray is up 2 cents after hours. High Tide, I still haven't sold my High Tide. Woo! Yes, High Tide. up 1.5 cents. I still have my shares of High Tide. I really believe in this company because they're profitable, and I just think they're severely undervalued. But anyways, that is my opinion. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.